Imam Qushayri says, سمعت الأستاذ أبا علي الدقاق رضي الله عنه. I heard my teacher Abu Ali Daqqaq radiyallahu anhu saying, Al-Abdu yasilu bi ta'atihi ila al-Jannah. That a servant reaches through his obedience to Allah, Jannah. By obeying Allah, he reaches Jannah, which is our goal and which is our destination. But then he doesn't stop there. See, because the eye of the Sufi goes further than what meets the eye. Then he says, وَبِأَدَبِهِ فِي طَاعَتِهِ إِلَى اللَّهِ تَعَالَى. And then through his adab in worshipping and obeying Allah, he reaches Allah. So through worshipping Allah, he reaches Jannah. And through observing adab in his worship, he reaches Allah himself. And there's a difference. So that is why that the awliya of Allah, their focus in ibadah is tremendous, because they want to perform their ibadah with great adab, with great refinement and great focus and concentration. And that is how you reach Allah. If you reach Allah, then you have everything. If you reach Jannah, then that's your destination. You have made it. Alhamdulillah, Allah give us all Jannah through his fadl, inshallah. But then if you want to go further, and as Imam Ghazali rahimahullah later on explains, that if you want to see the beautiful vision of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala himself, then you have to do something extra. That something extra is being refined in ibadah. That you are refined in your ibadah and you're more devoted, more focused in your ibadah. That's known as adab in ibadah. So here, his teacher, Imam Qushayri's teacher, Abu Ali Daqqaq, rahimahullah, has made an exceptional statement that if you are obedient to Allah, inshallah, you will reach Jannah. But if you observe a refined approach and adab in your ibadah, you will reach Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala himself, where Allah will then show you himself in Jannah. And that is something we all hope for. And we make dua Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala shows us himself, inshallah, in Jannah, all of us, inshallah.